Hello team, in this video I would like to show you the right procedure to clean our coffee servers. First, I would like to mention all the tools or equipment that we need to clean our pots. So we are going to need a red cloth. You can also use paper towel, napkins. We need a toothbrush, we need the degreaser, we need our magic eraser or a sponge. We need our blue gloves for cleaning, and also we are going to use a baker's tray. So, one of the things that we want to avoid when we're cleaning our coffee server is placing it directly in the sink. That's because the water runs along the surface and will be exposing the electronic component that connects and control the LED lights, which are indicating the coffee's freshness. So we want to avoid submerging that part in water. To do that, we are going to use something really simple. We are going to take a baker's basket and we're going to put it on the sink just to give the coffee server a bit of height or elevation above the surface of the sink. And for the same reason, when we are rinsing the coffee server, we will only spray water inside, not on the outside of the server. Okay, now with our coffee server placed on the baker's basket, let's remove the lid and set it aside. And then at the top of the tube, there is a small piece that works as a lock, I would say. So to take the tube out, we're gonna press it down and then gently pull the tube out. Now we're gonna remove the coffee tap, the part that dispenses the coffee. It can be unscrewed and detached for proper cleaning. And now we're gonna spray the inside of the coffee server with degreaser, and using our magic eraser we scrub the entire inner surface until all the coffee stains are gone. And once we have finished cleaning the inside, we're gonna use the same magic eraser to carefully clean the outer part of the server, from the top of the lid, the spot where the tube is placed, all the way down to the base, always being careful to do not get the electronic component of the LED lights wet. Now we're gonna use hot water to rinse the coffee server, but again only on the inside. For the outer areas, we can use a red cloth, paper towel, or even napkins to remove any excess of degreaser or water around the surface. And now we're going to clean the other parts of the coffee server. In this case, we'll start with the tube. And it's very important that we use the correct tool for this step. So we should never use a brush that could possibly cause scratches inside the tube. So instead, we are going to use the sponge brush. This one is specifically designed to clean the inner part of the tube. So what I like to do is simply spray the degreaser in the inside and clean thoroughly. For all the remaining parts, we just use the degreaser and rinse with hot water. And now that we have cleaned all the parts of the coffee server, the only thing left to do is to reassemble everything back together. If you have any questions about the process or how to properly clean our coffee servers, please let me know. And thank you so much for watching and for helping us keeping our equipment clean and ready for great coffee every day.